What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cloud back at it again with another video. Right now I'm on the way to this meetup and shit, man. Got this North Face hoodie. Selling it for a quick 25 and shit. We have a quick POV drive and let y'all know this shit. Yeah, I'm about to meet up at this Office Max, nice little public place and shit. And yeah, get this 25 and I'm back to the crib. I got offers on purple jeans. Somebody said 2 for $100, so that's $50 a pair. I think I might do it just to get them going and keep shit in rotation, but I'll let y'all know.
At the light, turn right onto South Beverly Boulevard.
Yep, I'm finna end this clip though when I'm back at the crib and shit, or on the way back after I get to 25. I'm gonna put that clip in there and then let y'all know too. What's good, YouTube? Back. You know we on the way and shit. I think it's hot right here. YouTube, I'm back, and I just made the sale and shit. Dude, I guess it was a stain on the front of the hoodie, so he like offered me, he said he didn't want it, and I was like, I just did 20, so he did 20 for it, and yeah, and I'm past that cop, but he did 20 for it and shit like that, so I'm finna go put this shit on my card, and then I think I'm finna buy another cologne. I've purchased 3, but with 2 separate orders, because at first I just bought 1, and the price was $30.70, and then I bought 2, and the price was like 59, like 68 or some shit like that. So, yeah, man, yeah, just made the wrong turn.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto South Vincennes Avenue.
But yeah, man, I just made that purchase and shit. So, you know, we gonna see how that shit goes. As far as
In 800 feet, turn right onto South Vincennes Avenue.
We gonna see how that shit goes. As far as ordering another cologne, but that's what I'm probably gonna take this 30 and do. I still haven't sold any colognes. I'm trying to focus on driving this shit. I still haven't sold any colognes yet because they haven't came in, obviously. But I feel like that's one of the easiest ways to maximize profit, and I feel like a lot of people are gonna be
Take the next right onto South Vincennes Avenue.
And shit, but yeah, that's all we got going on right now, man. And like I said, so once this shit keep coming in, we're gonna keep motion. You know?
In 800 feet, turn left onto West 103rd Street.
And shit. But I think I got somebody just text me to do it for the purple jeans, like I was mentioning. He said he gonna do both for 100 on Wednesday. Today is Monday right now. And
at the light, turn left onto West 103rd
tomorrow
Street.
I have a meetup for 2 Bape hoodies. The 2 Bape hoodies I've been showing y'all and shit, both of those for 300. So that should be another 400, and that's 430 in 3 days. But I got a lot of shit on the way. Like I said, I got 3 colognes so far, a Canada Goose jacket, and what else? 3 colognes, Canada Goose jacket, and a Dyson hair dryer. So when all that shit get in, I'm gonna be doing reviews and shit. Like I said, I'm gonna do separate reviews, and then I'm gonna do a haul, a Dhgate haul video. And then I'm gonna keep y'all updated throughout me selling that shit and listing those products to let y'all know which one is selling the easiest and giving you the most money, you know? That's the basics of the game.
Continue on West 103rd Street for 3/4 of a mile.
Yeah, that's it right now. Like I said, I'm probably finna order 1 more Baccarat Rouge right now for $30. That shit, it's like anybody can make $30, bro. But I'm finna order that shit and then we gonna keep it going. I just seen another fucking cop. I put my phone down quick as hell, but I'm at the crib. I'm finna be at the crib, so I'll tap in with y'all in a second, man.